Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical garden kneeler seat, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from garden kneeler seats, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. And to help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garden kneeler seat dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Abco Tech Garden Stool Kneeler for gardening bench comes with tool pouch gloves. Discover the ultimate gardening companion with the Abco Tech Garden Stool Kneeler. This versatile kneeler and seat is designed with your comfort in mind, featuring soft EVA foam padding that cushions your knees, making gardening activities a breeze. Flip it over to convert it into a comfortable seat whenever you need a break from your gardening tasks. Ideal as a thoughtful gift for gardening enthusiasts, this multifunctional tool is perfect for holidays and special occasions. The foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, fitting snugly in your car or closet when not in use. Plus, it comes equipped with a handy tool pouch and gloves to keep your gardening essentials organized and within reach. Whether you're planting flowers, weeding, or simply enjoying the outdoors, the Abco Tech Garden Stool Kneeler is your go-to solution for comfort and convenience. Don't miss out on this essential gardening tool. Make your gardening experience more enjoyable today. Number 2. Sunix Patented Garden Kneeler and Seat Heavy Duty with 2 tool store pouches. Introducing the Sunix Patented Garden Kneeler and Seat, the ultimate multifunctional gardening tool designed for comfort and convenience. This heavy-duty kneeler can be used as a knee pad to protect your knees while you work in the garden. Simply flip it upside down to transform it into a cozy bench seat, providing relief for your back and legs during those long gardening sessions. This complete set includes 2 detachable tool pouches, perfect for keeping your gardening essentials organized and within reach. Each pouch can be easily attached to the sides of the stool or carried over your shoulder using the adjustable strap, making it an ideal gardening accessory for both men and women. With a sturdy metal frame that supports up to 330 lbs and an ergonomic design featuring an extra thick kneeling pad, this kneeler ensures comfort while you work. Plus, it folds flat for easy storage and transport, no assembly required. It's the perfect gift for parents and seniors this holiday season. Elevate your gardening experience with the Sunix Kneeler today. Number 3. TomCare's Garden Kneeler Bench with 2 large tool pouches, heavy duty for gardening. So introducing the TomCare Kneeler Bench, your ultimate companion for a comfortable gardening experience. Designed with a larger soft kneeling pad measuring 10.64 inches wide and 15.1 inches long, this kneeler provides exceptional comfort while you work. So its wider metal frame ensures stability, so you can garden without worrying about tipping over. Capable of holding up to 400 lbs, this heavy-duty bench is built to last. It comes with 2 large tool pouches that attach to either side, keeping your gardening tools within reach at all times. So multifunctional design allows you to use it as a kneeler with raised handles for support or flip it over to enjoy a comfortable seat. So the TomCare Garden Kneeler is foldable and portable, making it easy to store and transport wherever you go. With no assembly required, it's the perfect gardening gift for both men and women. Say goodbye to sore knees and back strain, and elevate your gardening game with TomCare today. So number 4, Aimerla Foldable Garden Kneeler Seat Heavy Duty with Portable Garden Bench. Say goodbye to knee and back pain with the Aimerla Foldable Garden Kneeler Seat. This innovative garden kneeler features an ergonomic design that alleviates pressure on your joints and muscles, making gardening easier and more enjoyable. Constructed with a strong, powder-coated rust-resistant steel frame, it supports up to 350 pounds while remaining lightweight at just over 6 lbs. With a spacious 14 into 10-inch wide seat and a thick kneeling pad, this kneeler can be quickly folded for easy storage and transport. It's ready to use straight out of the box, no assembly required. The unique snap lock ensures it stays securely closed while in use as a garden stool. Stay organized with the included tool handbag featuring 8 exterior pockets and a large interior space for easy access to your gardening tools. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our hassle-free 90-day replacement policy. Elevate your gardening experience with the Aimerla Garden Kneeler today. Number 5. LeJoy Garden Kneeler and Seat with 2 tool bags, pouches, and claw gloves. Introducing the LeJoy Garden Kneeler and Seat, your ultimate gardening companion. This multi-functional garden aid easily transforms from a comfortable chair for planting or fishing to a supportive kneeling pad for weeding and planting. With a sturdy metallic frame and thick foam padding, It can support up to 330 elbs, ensuring durability and stability for all your gardening tasks. Equipped with 2 handy tool bags, each featuring multiple pockets, you'll have quick access to your gardening essentials like clippers, trowels, and seed packets. Plus, the included claw gardening gloves make raking, digging, and planting a breeze. Portability is key. This kneeler opens and closes with a quick snap, requiring no assembly, making it lightweight and compact for easy storage and transport. The soft, long foam padding protects your knees from the ground while keeping you comfortable during long hours in the garden. Elevate your gardening experience with the LeJoy Garden Kneeler and Seat today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.